Yes, I beg Mona try share this message. Very important. Aproko Sharon, sharply. We don't need lion and tiger government again. We don't need them again. Lion and tiger, na inside bush and Zoom, neither the day. No be time. And una wake up and say lion and tiger, and they are so now. Better hunters they on ground for now. Una not worry. Una go hear word for this one. Una go know say Benin not be Lagos. Sure una Mona not worry. And secondly, that thing wanna go try for Oba Palace. Say go disturb governor, enter radio governor, want to see Oba. Una get luck. Say governor not green make PDP fans and followers show Palace that day because of COVID-19. Now God stand for una. If not, see, many of una for not even day now the top la pla. Una for not even day the queue, day the line. Anthony Kabaka, wetin concern for Oba Palace as Oba say you want to see Oba, wetin concern for there? If not be trouble you dey find. Wetin you dey find, you go see am o. We all ready for you o. Like me, see, I dey track my bet, I dey warm up for you. Physically, me and you we go do one for that time. If you even reach like that. I dey tell you, we dey warm up for you. You don't know how many people you don't move, you don't go down through you. You don't know what you don't, the people where don't go down through you, it don't reach the one way don't go down for anybody hand for that state. You don't know the people where you don't send go clench, will not do anything. You don't send me go clench for nothing. You don't go put gun. You and your wife for my motto say, me want to move you, do this, that. When me say go clench for 8 months. Now you can't sing, say, Obaseki game, what soon wait on you know we are doing? Oh, go here and go. Then we told us it's a lie now say, Obaseki, now from your man family, liar. Oh, Obaseki, how your man relate to Obaseki family? Let me say, you still can't deceive us when they need help, when they meet you. When you say your man and Romo can't support you, what still support you? We know you. Your time don't pass. I beg when I will give all of you away my son at the APC. I beg before next month on the 19th. Mona we go the camp. Mona we go the camp. Sharply to Obaseki team. Because if una not the camp, una go hear word. Una go hear word. And secondly, Oshomole, who's supposed to be godfather to each other, you and Obaseki. Now Obaseki is supposed to be godfather to you for your life. Now Obaseki. Because when you want to test, you don't get anything. Now Obaseki bring money, come out, and stand for you. You don't get shishi. And at the end of the day, that guy worked for 8 years without no salary. Iliedo, Bini, Mona see through the talk because of money. Mona see through, Mona they talk. Mona because money they see through now they banner. I beg. The thing they drop Bini land, Bini people go back. Obaseki deserves second term without no arguments. Oshomole leave Obaseki alone. See the other one we're saying a billionaire, we're not the shame, we don't know himself. We're saying a Kapteosa. Kapteosa had your head, oh. Nobody you they feed. We not send you. We not give fuck about you. The money we get now for you and for your children. The billions we don't share our oil well for Benin they get for more than 30 years. How many markets women you don't help? How many markets you don't feel build for Benin? How many youths you don't feel help? How many undergraduates or graduates you don't feel help? You the first say be billionaire, you be billionaire. We be saying I don't say it. Oh yeah, now you tell me that billionaire. The captain when you do wait till they drive a flight. Now that one you tell make money. We go check you. Tell don't reach where government go take check all those treasury, those wet we don't loot for those state, you will bring them back to those state government. Because you be thief. And they point out to you say you be thief. Now me I don't tell you say you be thief, no level for you. How many youth you don't have? For more than 40 years we don't take a drill those state oil. How many people you don't help? How many markets? How many markets? How many widows you don't help? Very greedy man. Because it's just Obaseki you want try to build refinery for Benin. You could go around say you want genocide Yamu so that may Obaseki for not quickly it may not achieve that goal. Now lie you talk. Oh your Bawayahi. More than four go to near Oba go to play go pala. Now lie this one where they come so Oba no go fit or put because Oba no they do politics. Una go run go palace now go fit save una. Mona go makan. Obaseki is a freedom fighter. Shaibu is a freedom fighter. We go find una. Reach una last bus of una go ahead put when the time don't come. Tony Kabaka, can you when Oshomole was a governor, can you come out on social media and insult the governor? You can never try it. But because you see Obaseki finish. Come, if you have the Benin people, I beg you now. No be who know Benin people who know all the whole street now with the fans a governor. Now who will feed the Pierre Benin? Change Benin for us. Turn out to Igbo land. Make everything easy. Make everybody get 50-50 equal rights. No more pressure. Now that kind of person will define. Not the person will not say, oh man, na hina, obiebo na hina will define. We want to invest our treasury. No. No more. No more. No more. Enough is enough. Una way they form a peace, una not a shame. Now, oppressor is a yamu, Mona ask is a yamu. How you take become APC? How you take entire APC from PDP? Because you be rebel. You're a rebel candidate. You not pass through normal procedures. If anybody they come off another party, they come another party. How you say they come? You know they come through the party state chairman. You control Ojeswa. No. You say you go register online. Come. That rebel where you be, that betrayer where you be, say yamu, go ahead now, mo. You not get near, don't you where you want to kill again, where you want to deceive, go there, yo. Enough is enough. With the zero, don't forget, say we there Yankee, we there American. That one don't matter. We see care for our family, for us. We see one know what they happen for the government. Mona not to say now, because we don't enter Jan or the rest, they enter listen, now no, can't get Benin. Now lie. We see get on. We can show up at any time. And see tell the government, say, see what you want me to do for our people. We don't need tigers and lions. Tigers and lions should be in the Zoom. Not be for streets. Not be to the oppress our people, but streets. To the misbehave they do anyhow. Oshomole. Come on for our body, oh, I beg. Come on for Obaseki body. I beg. Don't face a national level. Now Obaseki here, now pursue come up for national level. Now you not see one male Obaseki rest. All of una when no one male Obaseki succeed for this second time. Shame will catch all of una. Oh, your power here. What our Obaseki madam who be betrayer? Not be Oshomole and Izeyamu not be betrayer. Izeyamu that one has confirmed rebel. 20 years. Now you don't need to do politics, almost 30 years. How many borehole you don't seek? How many people you don't empower? What you don't do for your community? Nothing. But you want Oshomole able to say, we know if you try and give you a those straight trade, we say your way not clear. Go watch the video. Okay, what you don't change? Now you Oshomole want to see Benin not be Lagos, we not be Mumu. Our Mumu don't do. 4 plus 4, talk bar. Oh, Wakba, Obaseki, talk bar, 4 plus 4. If not be this COVID-19 issue, when border never take clear, airport never take clear, una go see me for the election. Una when I say una head the hot, una go come out. Man, let una know, say, even at Baba Tiye. Tony Kabaka, enough is enough. The only advice I'll give you now before it's late, go and pledge your loyalty to Governor Obaseki and the camp immediately. Because, after election, you know the camp. Guy, now Kirikiri, now one man standing, now you want to go do for Kirikiri, I'll show you. Better style. And all of una way the APC. Una go lose everything una get. Una go lose them. I'll show them. All of the watch. Obaseki not be pushed over. Now oriented government will get sense. You know if you follow Oshomole step. Lie. Because Oshomole na dictator and a criminal. Billions of dollars, billions of naira what Oshomole carry go give Igbo for your own country. Waiting. For Igbo country. Billions of naira, dollars. Now Oshomole be the governor where don't borrow money pass for the history of Bende State. What you use the money to do? Now so the story reach. Now so I just talk and reach. Una where the fund say, una dey say is here is camp. Anything one so una get na kpa. Una dey learn. We go wear una wear everything una get. Una say na better style now will give una on the 19th next month. Mona watch out. Mona show una self. Now be the enemy of Benin APC. Orion Barriedo wahi. Wa Orion Ba wa Oriedo. Wa ma onedo man. He say Yamudo go sign business contract with all of them. And I say go dey share those state treasury. He go dey give una everything. Now I come dey support them. Not the person we want to repair the state. We dey wait for them. We dey follow all of una for bomber to bomber. Mona no worry. We dey come. We dey come. We opposition all of una. And I think say come. All days are gone. Now better start one give una. Government level, government power. Now one use for now. We dey come. More than not come out for Obaseki body. May God punish all of una.